Hello friends, my name is Samadhan Pimple and today is my topic from naming convention in Java. Okay, a programmer is always said to while clean codes where naming has to be appropriate to that for many other programmer. It acts as an easy way out to find the code. At a smaller level, this seems managing, but think of the industrial level where it becomes necessary to write clean code in order to save him, for which there are contain rules being had, of which one of the factors is to name the keyword right, which is termed as a meaning convention in Java. Then next we discuss about illustration. So class, if you are naming any class, then it is should be a noun, and so should be named as per the goal to be achieved in the program, such as add numbers, then reserve strings and or not likely, a programmer, etc. It should be specific, pointing what exactly is there inside without glancing in the body of the class. Their interface, if you are naming on interface, it should look like an adjective such as consider to existing one, then neighbor, serialize, etc. Try to use able to the word yes. It is said to try as they are not hard and also found. On habitat interface such as remote, it is not having able to the end. Consider if you are supposed to create an interface to make read operation that is suggested as per naming. Then methods. Now if we do look clear, a method is supposed to be something that it does contains its body. Henceforth it should be a verb. The next constant, as the name suggests, it should look like as we read it looks like it is fixed. Example pi, max, int, min, int, etc. as follow. In Java, it is good practice to name class, variable and methods name as what they are actually supposed to do instead of naming them randomly. Below are some naming convention of the Java programming language. They must be followed while developing software in Java for good maintenance and reliability of a code. Java uses camel class as a practice for writing name of method, variable, classes, package and contain constants. Camel case in Java programming consists of compound words or phrases such that each word abbreviation begins with a capital letter or first word with a lowercase letter, rest all with capital. Type 1, classes and interfaces. Class name should be nouns in mixed cases with the first letter of each internal word capitalized. Interface names should also be capitalized, just like class names use whole words and must avoid uh, antonyms and abbreviation. Type 2, methods. Methods should be verbs in mixed cases with the first letter lowercase and with the first letter of each internal wide capitalized. Type 3, variables. Variables names should be short yet meaningful. Variable means should not start with underscore or dollar, align and characteristic. Even though both are allowed, should be mnemonic, that is designed to be indicate to the causal deserver. The on one character variable name should be avoided except for temporary variables. Then next, KM for beginner. Type 4, consonants, variables and words separated by underscore. Then there are various consonants used in predefined classes like float, long, string, etc. Types 5 packages. The prefix of a unique package's name is always written in all lowercase ASCII letters and should be one of the top level domain. Names like com, do, gourmet, mailnet, and subsequent components of the package's name vary according to an organization and internal naming convention. That's all about the topic today's naming convention. Thank you.